Hello and welcome to the University of Kansas Health System. We are thrilled that you've decided to join our team. In this video, we will cover your new hire letter, how to create a password, and how to set up Duo Mobile. So let's get started. The first step is to understand your new hire letter. Sometime this week, you should receive an email from New Hire Notification. This will include your network credentials and all instructions needed for creating a password and setting up Duo Mobile. Be on the lookout for this email coming through between Wednesday and Friday of this week. The first step is understanding your network credentials. These include your work email, username, and employee ID number. Your work email and username are used to sign into applications across the health system. Some sites may ask for a user ID. This is the same thing as your username. Your work email uses the @kumc.edu domain. If you are a returning employee or a previous student, your credentials will be the same from when you were previously with KU or the health system. If you are a current student, your credentials will be the same as well. You'll also see your employee ID number, which we'll talk more about at orientation next week. Go ahead and review your credentials now. Once you've reviewed your credentials, it's time to create a password underneath step 2. This password will be used for most applications within the health system. For this process, you will see an initial password and username. You'll find the link to create the permanent password in this section as well. Please note that this link is the general password reset website that you can use in the future as well. After clicking the link, you'll be directed to a page to input your username and initial password. Once you've done this, you will be prompted to set up security questions. You cannot change the security questions. If you do not know the answer to a question like, what was the model of your first car? Simply create an answer that you can remember. This is just for your eyes and security, so your answer can be something unique. The last question will be left blank for you to create your own question and answer. Before doing your final submission, make sure you remember or document your answers for future use if needed. Next, you will be prompted to create a permanent password. Be sure to read all of the rules and restrictions. For example, you cannot use any part of your name in the password. Please ensure that you remember the password you create, as this will be your password for most applications you use. If you are not prompted to change your password after setting up security questions, you will be directed to the home screen of the site. Here, you will see the option to change your password. Click on that button and move forward with the steps. Feel free to pause this video to go through these steps now. Lastly, you will need to set up Duo Mobile on your phone. This app is required to log into certain applications like Workday. Duo provides two-factor authentication to keep your information secure. Make sure you have downloaded the Duo Mobile app before starting the registration process. If your phone cannot download Duo, let one of the orientation team members know on Monday to discuss alternative options. Once Duo is installed, refer back to the email with your credentials to find a link to register the app on your mobile device. This can be found underneath step 3. Once you click on the setup link, follow the on-screen instructions carefully. First, you will need to log in with your KUMC email. Sometimes this will auto-populate your personal email. Make sure to change it to your work email. Next, you will type in the password that you just created. Once you log in, you will press Get Started. Click on Duo Mobile under the prompt of adding a device. Next, you will enter your phone number and check the box below it. It will ask you to verify your phone number as well. Now, you should be prompted to open the Duo app on your phone. You should see a new account pop up. If prompted to name the account, just press Save to keep the default title of the health system. If you are new to Duo, the app may show you how it works. Remember, when logging into applications like Workday, you will be prompted to approve your login via Duo. If you ever receive a Duo notification and you are not trying to log in, press deny immediately and report it to our IT department. This could indicate a glitch in the system or an unauthorized access attempt. Now you are all set with your password and Duo. It's important to note that you will not start using Duo to access Workday until your official start date. If you run into any struggles along the way or you do not receive a new hire letter by Friday afternoon, please call our HITS department at 913-945-9999 and press option 1. We will be discussing Workday, Duo, and onboarding tasks more in depth on Monday at New Employee Orientation. Please make sure to read all of the instructions in the orientation email you receive from onboarding@kumc.edu as well. This information includes parking information, I-9 verification, accommodations, and dietary requests. We look forward to meeting you next week. And again, welcome to the University of Kansas Health System.